Hi vlog, welcome to my guys, Island Born TV here. For this video, we will try to check the sound of Flash 150 Fi ni Rosie, okay? Ito po yung tunog kapag naka-minor. Yan. Try naman natin pigain konti. Woo! Grabe. Parang underbone lang ng kabilang brand yung tunog. Woo! Try naman natin was-was mode. Eka! Lakas talaga. Woo! Iba. So, that was the sound. Okay naman para sa akin. Ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Naka-Euro type na yung muffler niya, kaya di natunog lata. Unlike the old models ni Rosie. Alam nyo na. So, don't forget to like the video if nagustuhan nyo, and pakisampal na rin yung subscribe button natin, no? Kasi marami pa tayong vlog kay Flash 150 Fi, from maintenance to modification. Okay vlog, see ya!